was just walking up to the house and I seen something at the front door. So what do we have here? Some Bcracing coilovers. So it's custom build, extreme low. That's pretty cool. And what car is this for? I know what car it's for. S14. Time to dig the S14 out. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing. Like there's anything special. Let's see what we got in here. And they have a full U. Put 2 boxes in there. Quick update. My buddies hit me up. He's sawing off all his 240 parts, and I was able to come up on some Koki side skirts. Pretty excited about those. I felt like I paid premium, but they're really in good condition. So. Looks like we could do some gap adjustments, but I really don't want to touch it right now. Looks alright. Wingless and color matched. And in true early 2000s fashion, this car is all zip tied on the lip. I'm talking crap because it's my brother-in-law's car. We got the SR on the floor for the first time in over 4 years. Alright, so we got the rear main seal put in. That was pretty quick and painless. I was getting ready to put in the flywheel, and then I realized I should check it. Alright, I ran into a little dilemma. Taking a flat edge on there, you can see that the outer and inner side of the flywheel are lower than the surface area of the flywheel, so the grabbing area is lower right here and right here, so you can actually feel it go down like all the way through. When I first looked at this flywheel, it's smooth all the way through. You can see a little scoring, but that's not, it never really worried me in. And the answer is no, I didn't think so myself, but I just always go for a second opinion, especially. Yep, we're gonna look like we need a new flywheel. So since we discovered that we needed a new flywheel for the S13, I'm gonna go ahead and work on something else, but that's gonna be for next video. So in the next video, I'm gonna go ahead and install these S13 solid aluminum steering rack bushings, along with these helper springs for the transmission for the SR20. So last night I came up on a killer deal on something for the 4Runner. I'll let you guys know what that is. I'm actually going to do a video on that too, so you're going to get some 4Runner content as well. So I still got to give you guys some updates on the Cappuccino. Here's my Cressida. We got Christian's Corolla. Thing's got something massive in here.